Okay, I'm going to show you first how to make a slice of pizza. Okay, I'm heating my mandrel. I'm using opal yellow. Turns out to be the very best crust color. Coiling on my upper crust. Now I'm going to build onto this crust a larger mass. Graduating it so I get an ovally shaped bead. Now I'm going to heat it in until it's a pretty nice shape. And I'm going to get it pretty hot. Get my mashers ready. And it gets pretty hot. Now I'm just heating more the point of the bead. And now I'm going to hold it up, and you can swing it a little to get it to elongate. You don't want it to get too thin on the very top. Once it looks about right, you're going to take your mashers and mash it. Now you have your pizza crust, and now you just have to shape this up a little using a graphite marber, or if you have a brass tool you can use that also, until you get it more pointed. You don't have to make anything perfect because food never is perfect. Now we're ready to put a little sauce on it. I take a red stringer and I'm going to dab on a little sauce. Smear it on there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Give it a little squash. Okay, now I have made, earlier on, I've made a pepperoni stringer. It's kind of subtle, but it's just a bunch of different browns made into a chunky stringer. I'm heating them up on my hot plate. I'm going to grab one. So grab one of my pepperoni slices and heat it up and plop it on. Oh, I forgot cheese. Okay, before I put the pepperoni on, I probably want to put a little bit of cheese, dark ivory stringer, just dabbing it on. And I'll go back to adding a few more pepperonis. And every once in a while dressing the top of your bead crust, just make sure everything stays happy and warm. Plop on another pepperoni. I think I'm just going to put 2 on this one. Usually I put 3. And then I think I'll add a little bit of green peppers. So I'm just using a leaf stringer that I already made and just making some lines of green on there. And there I have my pizza slice. Really fast, really easy. You can put whatever kind of condiments you want on it. I was thinking olives, I was thinking onion. There's so many things you can add to this. Build it up. Okay.